Dark circles under the eyes are a common sight. The skin around the eyes is very thin as compared to other parts of the body and extremely delicate. Hence it gets easily dehydrated, eventually leading to dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, wrinkles, as well as other signs of aging. Therefore, the under eye area needs to be very well hydrated. Dark circles take time to fix and require great discipline. In this video, we'll show you how to get rid of your dark circles with this simple DIY eye mask.
Guys, welcome back on the Foodie. I am Daisy. Create your own homemade eye mask is a great way to save money and remain natural. Well, plenty of things can be easily found in your kitchen. This mask is easy to make and easier to incorporate into your skincare routine. So let's get started.
All you need is 1 tablespoon potato juice and 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Add the potato juice and aloe vera gel in a small bowl and mix well. Apply this paste to your under eye area. In a large semicircle shape. Let it dry on your skin for about 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it off with cool water or use a washcloth to carefully wipe the mask for glowing under eyes. You can do this every day before going to sleep.